Hi guys, so I just finished my new doll and I will want to share with you how I painted tattoo on my doll. So her name is Matilda. I hope you like it, and let's learn something new, how to apply the acrylic paint on your doll which you created. So stay tuned with me. Let's start it. Voila, this is her before her tattoos apply. So well, I was thinking what Matilda likes, what type of tattoo she will love. I want to apply to her. I think she like kind of really picky girl, and I was thinking, I was searching on everywhere what type of tattoo, and I decided to one I will apply on her breast and her legs and her back. So that was my decision, and I was thinking she like it as well, you know. So that's was plan. So well started. I start applying with pencil sketching, and after sketching I will gonna paint. After painting I will let all the paint dry, and after when it's dry I will paint another layer of color the paint, and I will give some colors, and that's you just watch and learn how to do it. If you have a question, as always, welcome to ask or leave a comment. Or have you done before? Did you draw any tattoo on your dolls? Just share your experience with me. I will be so happy to read it, your comments.
Steel on a high-speed journey to somewhere. Got an impulse to flee this town right now. The light goes on and off each day, looking for a pin, a stack of hay, recalling the thrills of the love you know. This is the sound to be tuned into. What your heart tells you is where you need to be. What your heart tells you is what you need to see. Never settle for anything less than everything. Never settle for anything less than everything.
Well, this is my last drawing on tattoo, and I draw her on her back, and voila, all done and dusted. So that's her tattoo, which I think she's Matilda happy, and I'm happy too. I hope you guys like it, and yeah, it's so fun. Just have a fun. If you learn how to sculpt a doll, you can draw any tattoo which you like it. And that's for today. I hope you like my video, and have a lovely day. Bye for now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
This is the sound to be tuned into. your heart tells you is where you need to be. What your heart tells you